So I'm here in my car early, and then I'll be driving over there to get the PCR test. And the good thing here is that you just drive up to a parking bay, and then the nurse comes out and swabs your nose and your mouth in the car. We're drinking. It's being filtered into the dams, stored for the Las Vegas and surrounding neighbourhoods. I wonder so many people died building this. Look at this, how would you ever, the earth that had to be moved. We are walking along now to the Hoover Dam, which is over there, and it's so hot today. No really cloud coverage, blue sky, sun beaming on my head, and we're so high up, right? You've got the freeway here, got roads underneath. The amount of weight that this bridge can take is amazing. It's actually really scary when you're actually looking over here. Your body sort of feels like it's going to fall. So if we look over there, now let's just zoom in here. So where there's all different colours there, so like the water used to be up there, and then it's slowly lost and lost and lost year after year. He actually did it! Down there is the Welcome to Arizona sign, so that is another state. Oh, it's amazing, that is. It's some bridge, isn't it? That's where we were earlier. It just shows you how high it is.
Really? Ever cast in the United States. It is said the building of Hoover Dam belongs to the sagas of the
dang it.
The sculptor there pointed out the winged bronzes which guard the flag. Look at
We're about to be walking into Arizona. So there's the sign, it says the Grand Canyon State welcomes you. We didn't manage to get to the Grand Canyon on this trip, but definitely next time we will go to the Grand Canyon. So technically now I am in Arizona. Right, so we're driving out now of the Hoover Dam. We had an amazing day here. The huge formation of the dam, just to think how many people were involved in building that, and also it's a bit sad to actually see how much water it's losing because of global warming and all of the people using the water. One day it probably will be dry and would actually be empty. Welcome to Nevada. I think you just catch like you see in Welcome to Nevada.
It was, wasn't it?
You're gonna miss that.
No. Lake Mead. Boulder City, as you can see. Pop over there if you want to buy some RVs from Boulder City RV. Really bright here. 35. Pick that up though, probably. It might do when we look at it on the
We're going straight, aren't we? Or are we actually? We're not going up on that ramp on the right, are we?
Short turning.
No, it's left.
So Mom knows what we're to work with here. Tennessee number plate.
Turn on
Yeah, the more we come in, you know we can remember all these roads.
Yeah. I'll get a bit of an intersection now.
Later again.
No.
I need to go over left, I don't know.
Slow down.
Oh, do you see it? No, it's got all the lines right in that.
in 1/4 mile. Turn right on Royal Crest Circle, then take the first right.
It's hard to hear. It's so noisy, the roads.
You can't head in there.
Turn right at the stop sign. turn right on Palos Verdes Street.
No, don't. You go straight. You go straight. Yeah. That she doesn't know because they think we live there, don't we? Well, we don't. We just live right on the edge there. I know.
Oh, it's sad to know this, you know. We haven't even been to today much, all the neighbours are thinking that.
It's like 5.